I still have to pinch myself that this is our backyard.
These plants grow fast and they're lush, and you just feel like you're in a nature preserve every day here. Well, my boots tell the story of what I like to do in my yard. They're good and dirty, and I'm proud of them. When I go to buy a plant, I wear my boot because I'm one of the gardeners there. I have learned about right plant, right place. I have learned about the needs of sun versus shade, and that's really helped me be an effective gardener.
You know, it's been 1 year and I'm really surprised, actually pleasantly surprised. I walked through here and was really blown away. The reason perhaps why these plants are getting yellow is because of the high pH. This garden is carrying out its function. It's mitigating the pollutant in the water.
People in the neighborhood come to me and ask questions about a right plant, right place, and I can answer the questions, and it feels good. It makes me want to do even more.
Our friendships have really gotten stronger with neighbors as well, because they come over, they see the beauty that we have back here, and it stimulates further conversation about how they can do what we've done in their backyards.
The Greenberg yard is just one yard. Imagine what can be done not only here in this county, but in all 67 counties of Florida.
Visit FloridaFriendlyLandscaping.com to start learning today.